Okay, so Amazon's big new thing, Alexa Plus. We're diving in today to figure out if this $20 a month AI upgrade is a genuine leap forward or maybe just a really big marketing flex.
Right. What's interesting is how Amazon's framing it. They're not calling it just an update. They're using terms like a full re-architecture.
Your architecture, huh?
Yeah, basically saying Alexa Plus is their next generation AI layer, built, from the ground up using generative AI. And it's
Okay.
meant to be integrated deeply across their whole ecosystem.
So less like the Alexa we know now.
Exactly. They're trying to shift it from being, reactive, waiting for that perfect command, to something more proactive, more conversational.
And the promise sounds pretty amazing, right? Like genuinely conversational, better memory, and the big one, letting you chain complex commands using natural language. No more trying to phrase things just right.
That's the goal. And they even talk about the AI taking action itself, like figuring out the best time to book a ride or making a restaurant reservation based on, the context of your conversation.
Sounds ambitious. But let's talk cost, because there's a classic Amazon angle here.
Oh, definitely. So if you're not a Prime member, it's steep like $19.99 a month.
Wow, okay.
But, and here's the kicker, if you already subscribe to Prime, it's just included, bundled in as a free perk.
Ah, the Prime strategy gets you hooked on the ecosystem.
Absolutely. They're clearly betting that this AI upgrade is compelling enough that people will, stay subscribed to Prime just to keep it.
It's a smart retention play, I guess. But does making it free for Prime members maybe, I don't know, lessen how valuable the AI seems on its own?
That's a fair question. But anyway, the rollout itself isn't for everyone just yet. It's targeted.
How so?
Well, this early access phase is focusing initially on specific, newer devices. Think the Echo Show 15, the more recent Show 8 and 10 models,
Okay.
plus some compatible older Echo devices, and Fire TVs too. So it's decent range of hardware.
But not universal.
Right, notably some of the older Echo models,
Yeah.
they're explicitly not getting this upgrade path.
Okay, so they're casting a pretty wide hardware net. But what happens when that net seems to have some issues? Because we have to look at the other side, right? The
Yeah.
feedback coming in.
Yeah, and that's where things get messy. We're seeing reports, especially from places like Reddit, indicating some significant turbulence for early adopters.
Which immediately brings up, like, consistency problems, doesn't it?
Totally. First off, just getting access seems incredibly difficult. Lots of users who signed up months ago, still waiting.
Really? Months?
And some even reported that customer service told them invites just stopped going out for now. One user actually described getting access as being elusive as Bigfoot.
Bigfoot level elusive. Okay.
Yeah.
That's not great.
Not ideal, no. And then for those who do get in, the experience isn't always smooth. That whole re-architecture thing Amazon pitched, it seems to be causing problems precisely where Alexa needs to be solid, those stable everyday routines.
Oh, no. Like the good morning routines people rely on.
Exactly. Those were built on the older, simpler structure. When you rebuild the foundation with complex generative AI, apparently those reliable old functions are often the first things to, break.
Yigs. So what are people actually reporting?
We're seeing a lot of complaints about performance degradation. Basic features just failing. Like you said, good morning routines breaking down. Alexa forgetting tasks it was just told.
Forgetting things.
Yeah.
Isn't better memory one of the selling points?
Ironically, yes. And smart home integrations are becoming unstable for some users too. Lights not responding, that kind of thing. The delivery just seems really inconsistent right now.
There was one critic that really summed it up, saying basically anything more complicated than asking for a song or setting a timer fails.
Ouch.
Yeah. The sources paint a picture of something that, well, sounds great on paper, but is currently glitchy and kind of properly broken in practice.
And if we put this all together, look, Alexa Plus is definitely ambitious. It's real. Amazon's putting weight behind it. But right now, it feels firmly stuck in that early access, maybe even beta stage.
So the core stuff isn't quite stable yet.
Pretty much. The very features that need to be rock solid, like continuity and those smart home controls, seem to be the most unstable points according to this user feedback.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what does this mean for you listening if you're thinking about this upgrade?
Well, based on what we're seeing from these early sources, the clear takeaway seems to be maybe hold off for now. Don't jump in just yet.
Wait until they get past the bug fixing stage, essentially.
Exactly. The risk right now seems to be that you could actually break the smart home setup you already rely on every day, which nobody wants.
Makes sense. The potential is there, but the reality isn't quite matching up yet.
Right. But here's a final thought, maybe something provocative to consider. If Amazon manages to smooth out these bumps, if they nail this transition,
Yeah.
this really could be that bridge we've been waiting for. The step between just a simple voice assistant and a genuinely useful, proactive AI agent in your home. It could fundamentally change things.
True. A big if, though.
A big if. So the question for you is, how long are you willing to wait, potentially dealing with instability, for that massive potential upside? Versus, the current risk of depending on a system that might still be fundamentally a bit broken.